I made out with my cousin. I spent a day in jail, hooked up with my friend's mom. My ex cheated on me with my best friend. Some of you are taking Ghar Ghar too seriously. Do you not get the concept? Stop it. I had to pee in a water bottle. I listen and I don't judge, but you... Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Mihika and I'm 21 years old, and in this video I am going to be reacting to your deepest, darkest secrets. My only goal to get through this video will be to listen and not judge. I am just going to give it my best and not judge. So yeah, just say it with me. We listen and we don't judge. Okay, let's go. You know, when I put up the question sticker on my Instagram story, obviously मेरे को थोड़े ऐसे दिख रहे थे, जैसे जैसे आ रहे थे in my notifications, and I asked for deepest, darkest, not the dirtiest, and all of them, like the majority of them are dirty, even though like I stopped myself ki okay, I'm not gonna look at them now. So yeah, I've not looked at the stickers. I like my brother's friend. Not a dark secret, but for me it's the deepest. Okay, this one is okay. You like your brother's friend. It's not bad. Do you plan on making a move? Because if you are, then I think your brother may need to know at some point. Someone has said I ate my brother's shit thinking it's chocolate. First of all, why was it wrapped as a chocolate? Why was it at a place where you would think that you would find a chocolate? I made out with my cousin multiple times in our childhood. We both are girls. You know, there are so many people in this world, like so many people your age, you know, with different surnames and different family trees that exist in this world. Just blacklist your cousins. Just okay, I like him and I helped him get with his crush. He obviously doesn't know I like him. You like him, but you helped him get with his crush. That is something I would do. Matlab, yeah, this is not that bad. Okay, so okay, yeah, I've done this, but everything worked out in my favor. So, but no, this is, you're a nice person, I can tell. I don't like my boyfriend anymore, so I'm waiting for his entrance to get over before breaking up. That's good too. Obviously the breakup will distract him, so I feel like it's fine for you to wait until his exams are over and then you break up with him. Okay, yeah, that's fair. All the best. I regret cheating on my boyfriend. Yeah, you should. You should take a long, hard look in the mirror and बहुत ज़्यादा regret होना चाहिए. But then please be a better person. Don't do it again. Okay, next. When I was in 12th, I had a crush on my maths sir and he knew it and we had kissed twice. ये he knew it तक ठीक था. उसके बाद how does that happen? Like, you know what? मेरे को जानना ही नहीं है. I have a huge crush on my neighbor who is 30 years old while I'm just 19. You're 19. Okay, you're okay. We live in a world where Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor are married, so I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you to make a move. Like, yeah, go for it. I ghosted my boyfriend after 3 months because another guy was flirting with me and I started liking him. ये गलत है. I am not judging you, but you should judge yourself a little bit because this guy was your boyfriend, you have said, and you ghosted him just because you started liking somebody else. It would have been nice if you communicated. I spent a day in jail, but my parents still know I was at my friend's house. Wow. Everything worked out in your favor, and if your parents still don't know, abhi tak, I can't even say good job. But I want to know, how did you end up in jail? But like, you spent a whole day in jail. A whole day. Did your parents forget you exist? I really don't know how the logistics of that managed, but my ex cheated on me with my best friend. He doesn't know I know. एक second. Okay, my ex. So this person is your ex. He still doesn't know that you know that he cheated on you with your best friend. I feel like he should know कि you know. And he should feel terrible and horrible about it and then try being a better person. Once I dated a guy for 1 week because he begged me. It's pretty clear that you, my friend, have a tough time saying no. But you need to learn. ऐसे किसी को भी उठा के date नहीं कर सकते. Especially if I'm guessing you obviously did not like the guy back. You can't date anybody just because they beg you to. I hooked up with my friend's mom. We were drunk and it just happened. I'm trying really hard not. मैं बहुत. This concept is not for me. Like this deepest darkest secret, and it's not for me. I cheated on my boyfriend with my ex. Like, yaar, cheating is bad. Don't do it, and don't like tell me about it. Like this is okay. I asked. Okay, I will never ask again. But don't cheat, यार. क्या हो गया है आजकल सबको? I mean, पहले भी होता था, but like अब like some people think it's cool to cheat on somebody and you know and then tell people about it, and some people think it's a flex. I listen and I don't judge, but you should. I once got caught shoplifting in H&M and that was so embarrassing. Oh god. I'm sure you've never done it again after you've been caught because it must have been so insulting. I don't judge you on this, but I'm sure you've never shoplifted again, right? My mom's cheating on my dad and I've known it for 6 years. Don't want to break my family, so I didn't tell anyone. I don't know what to say to this. Once I didn't brush my teeth for like 3 weeks. God, we listen and we don't judge. I'm not judging, but I feel like brushing my teeth once more. To be honest, not physically attracted to my boyfriend, but he loves me, so don't want to leave him. But do you love him? Because you've not mentioned that. You've mentioned he loves you. Do you love him enough to stay, or like please just tell him, like whatever the case is, you need to tell him that you're not whatever attracted. Even if you feel like that would hurt his feelings, you need to tell him because who knows what can happen, right? And obviously if you're unhappy, you shouldn't tell him because he also deserves someone who would, you know, be attracted to him. I went to my cousin's place. To my Jessie cousin. Okay, I went to my cousin's place for a month and we used to kiss every day at night while everyone used to sleep. You know, there are games like hide and seek, like chup and chup. Okay, no, chup and chup is hide and seek. Ice and water, ball touch, ghar ghar. Matlab ghar ghar. You guys have, some of you are taking ghar ghar too seriously. Do you not get the concept? Stop it. Yesterday while going to college from home in a bus, I had to pee in a water bottle. There was no reason for you to tell me this. I had a crush on a boy and told my friend about it. Now he's her boyfriend and still my crush. You had a crush on a boy and you told your friend about it, and now he's her boyfriend and you still have a crush on him. Mera question hai, is she still your friend? I mean, I hope she's not. It's bad on her part ki she knew you had a crush on him and she still went for it, but we don't know na ki kya equation thi un dono ke beech mein. So I'm sure it's a tough space to be in, but I hope you move on. I skipped pre-boards without my parents knowing. Okay, that's not bad. Bhai, thank God. Matlab ye it's like a breather. Like I swear, there are so many I can't even say. You know, मैं अपने मुंह से ये शब्द निकाल भी नहीं सकती. ऐसे secrets भी आए हैं. I have 15 kids in my basement. Sure. I once took chits to an exam, had nowhere to throw them, so flushed them down the washroom of the school. Fair. I ended a toxic relationship with my ex, so I actually texted him as if my father would text him. Wow. This is a good one. This is actually a good idea. Like everyone, if anyone's stuck in a toxic relationship, maybe you could text him like your father would text him. I'm hoping it worked. I dated a guy knowing he's cheating on me. Why? Like when you decided to do this, I can bet that you did not love yourself enough because if you did, you would not accept this kind of energy and behavior in your life. You deserve more respect than that. And please just put yourself, like your self-respect above anything or anyone else moving forward. Like, not in a selfish way, you know what I mean. I'm secretly an alien from Mars. I believe you. So basically, a lawyer who is 9 years older than me asked me out on a date. Say no maybe. My parents think that I'm studying all day, but I'm not. This is the type of deepest, darkest secret you should have when you're in school. So, good. I bought an iPhone without telling anyone, but it broke the next week and no one knows about it. You bought an iPhone without telling anyone. Okay. That's great. And then it broke the next week and no one knows. So like, broke as in what? Theek ho jayega na? Just like you bought it, you can get it fixed. I hope. I stole my bro's Insta password and logged in his account into my phone. Now I can read all his chats and more. Log out. This invasion of privacy. Would you want your brother to be doing the same to you? No, you would not. So I am in a relationship and my boyfriend was engaged and I did not know about it until his friend told. You have written, एक second, I am in a relationship. Achha, and your boyfriend was engaged. But like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. And I'm going to stop pretending like I know the right thing to say to whatever that has been said by you guys. And I think I am just going to be ending this video here because I do witchcraft and I manifested to kill someone and they died of a heart attack. You know what? I feel like you're a great person. I feel like you are so skilled because this is an art, you know, and you're blessed, you're talented, and you deserve the best in the world. And I appreciate you. So yeah. On this note, I am going to end this video right here. I would just like to say I was not cut out to be making this video. ये चीज़ मेरे को during the video realize हो गई थी, but I've somehow made it to the end and you have made it to the end. But I still want to say that thank you for sharing these with me. I can promise you all of this will always be anonymous and just safe and deleted somewhere with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.